Hello everyone. You are watching Daily English Day 16 from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I'm going to teach you 20 ways to say good job. 1. You are doing great. 2. You are learning fast. 3. Great work. 4. You do perfect. 5. You got it now. 6. That's the way. 7. Well done. 8. Nice going. 9. Nice work. 10. How creative. 11. You are just awesome. 12. Keep up the great work. 13. You rock. 14. Great improvement. 15. You got it right. 16. I'm speechless. 17. Commendable work. 18. You have made it. 19. You do it well. 20. That's really nice work. 21. Good job. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe to TeacherTechTube